So what brings you in today?
Doc, I think I have a problem. I cannot work without my spreadsheets. I'm codependent.
Okay, let's explore that. How often do you use spreadsheets?
All the time. I use for work, for budgeting, for meal planning, grocery shopping.
Grocery shopping.
Yeah, I have a spreadsheet that tells me what I need to buy from the store based on what I picked for my meals for the week.
And how do you feel when you're not using your spreadsheets?
Lost? What's the point of having data if it's not perfectly aligned in rows and columns?
Okay, let's try something. Imagine a world without spreadsheets.
No spreadsheets? But I don't think I can do that.
It's okay. Breathe. We're not deleting your spreadsheets. Yet.
Oh, thank God, because I just started a spreadsheet to track how much therapy I'm doing.
Well, maybe we can start with some small steps, like using a paper notebook.
Paper? What's that, Stone Age?
Just a suggestion.
Okay, maybe, but can I still keep track of my progress on a spreadsheet, or is that too much?
Baby steps. Baby steps.